What's up guys, it's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. So as you guys all know, today was Apple's October 30th event. It looked amazing. To start out with, there is a new MacBook Air, which is thinner than the original, has a better display and internals, and a 4 million pixel screen plus a fingerprint scanner to unlock your MacBook. They also had a new space gray Mac Mini, but the star of the show was the new iPad Pro. The entire iPad is entirely different and looks amazing. There's two sizes, a 11-inch screen and a 12.9-inch screen. The entire chassis is only 5.9 millimeters thick, which is crazy. The outside design and the sides kind of remind me of the iPhone 4, but with a iPhone 10 look. In my opinion, it is really clean. It still has an LCD screen, but the resolution is super high. There's no home button, so this iPad will be unlocked with your face. It also has new internals, including a A12X Bionic chip, a 8-core CPU, and a 7-core GPU, making one of the fastest iPads available on the market. They've also updated storage. You can now buy it with 64 gigabytes, and you can go all the way up to 1 terabyte. One of the biggest things that happened to the iPad Pro is that the Apple Pencil will no longer be charging from the charging point at the bottom due to some even bigger news, which is the iPad Pro will support a USB-C connector at the bottom for charging, and you will also be able to connect all your USB devices to the iPad Pro. Plus, you can charge your iPhone from your iPad Pro. This is crazy and a great feature to have on this device. Going back to the Apple Pencil, it'll be charging from a designated position on the side of the iPad Pro, and it'll be charging wirelessly. If you look at the bottom of the iPad Pro, you will see that Apple removed the headphone jack again. For me, this is not a big deal breaker. I recently upgraded from my iPhone 6 Plus to this brand new iPhone XR. The iPhone 6 Plus did have a headphone jack, and this iPhone XR does not at all. And you know, when I first got it, it was just super strange not having a headphone jack. It's only been 4 days now, and literally, I've already got used to it not having a headphone jack. So yeah, that's super chill, but I do recommend if you guys are be getting any of these Apple devices without headphone jacks, I would invest in a good pair of wireless headphones or the Apple AirPods. This is all part of Apple's plan to eventually turn all their devices wireless. The 2019 iPad Pro from Apple is, in my opinion, the best device available on the market right now, but starts out at a hefty price of $800 and goes up to $1,900. This is a hefty price to pay, but you're gonna be getting the best of the best, not just in the Apple world, but in the tablet world, period. In my opinion, the iPad Pro is an amazing device. It's super cool, it's super powerful, and I feel like this is a big step forward for Apple in, the tablet world and just for their name in general. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoy this content, drop a like and do me an even bigger favor, subscribe. That means so much to me. It supports this channel and shows that you guys enjoy this content. And if you guys love my channel, are already subscribed, please do me a huge favor and become a Patreon member today. I have a link down in the description. Thank you guys so much. I would super appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, peace.